okay, mate? Just stay, just stay.
You good?
Oop, you okay?
Yep, let's move this cell phone.
I'm not sure, I think this lever is bent.
Just a little bit, it'll still be usable, right?
Hi Zane, thank you for inviting on this fantastic ride.
It's alright.
And could you please tell me about your bike, about your Suzuki?
It's a 07 V-Strom there. I brought it because I do a lot of tie-up with wifey and load it up. I do a lot of mainly on-road, but lately I've been doing a lot more off-road. Got the good old Midas tyres, front and rear, done about 9,000 k's on them. Just a great all-round bike, really. It's probably a bit heavy for doing the rougher stuff, but just got to send today.
Some pros and cons?
The pros, it's nice and comfortable.
Okay.
Plenty of legs for the road. Cons, it's a heavy with the shingle and all that, but the one thing I'd like to have on it would be spoke rims and possibly 21-inch front, but
is it possible to install on your V-Strom 21?
There has been, I think, like a DR650 front on it.
It will definitely beast if it's a feet bigger wheel.
Yeah, but to be honest, I'll probably end up just going for a Africa Twin next.
Yeah, it will real upgrade.
Yeah.
Jack, I was really impressed how you're riding off-road, like a high skill level. With this heavy beast, like Zane said, it's a whale of the motorcycle world.
Yeah, highway whale. About 260 kgs with knock that ass off.
Oh yeah.
Got 40 litres of fuel in there, auxiliary tank and all. Just got the nice Moto Z tractionators on it.
Some issues?
Oh, I've blown out a clutch, coils, I've crashed it, did 11 grand's damage to it, bent the frame, got it bent back. Destroyed all the screens, bent handlebars, ground a hole into the crank, into the cylinder head.
Sounding like it's not a factory's issues. Some pros, cons about this bike?
Pros, it's got a lot of power, very comfortable over long distance. Con, obviously it's heavy, very expensive if you crash.
Oh yep.
And yeah, it's just a general around for maintenance.
Yeah, it looks like a beast, and especially with these bars, crash bars.
I'll just pull it out really shitty.
Did you scary about this cylinder? Then if you crash it and it's a stone close to, you can damage it.
They used to have other ones, but I ground it away in a slide and it started grinding into the cylinder head. So if you actually look, this side is a different colour to the other side.
Oh,
because it's a different head.
oh yeah, yeah.
But a very good cargo carrier.
Definitely. And I even saw how did you do a wheelie
Oh yeah.
on the way.
Yeah.
Is it hard work to pull in?
No, it lifts up by its own. Doesn't really require much. I think you just pull back on it and that does the rest.